Wake up, this is no longer a dream, this is reality. AES is here.
Chimigwat Shamnado, Kanagago Namish Young, Chimigwat Kinamama Jidid Young Nongum, Kanagago Chimna Samgak, Migwatka, Kanani Gonzajik, Kabashajik, Upchuganak Chinandagwat, Bob Miguakina, Noan Mishnong Warana, Shamnado, Sagishnong, Kinoimosh, Nakagani Jayon, Chimna Marsid Nishnabe. Noenam gangat sim nanik, minoandib no jaminanik, Mawena chamaji quad. Up chiganagat, chinandagat nongum, Kinoab migoeg. We do Kushnong, Mawena chamaji shkayon. We sash quite migoe nongum sham the do. Chinanigani and chikinoi magwayam nakagani shayon. Chimigrat sham the do, chimigrats.
This is a momentous day for the Anishinaabe Nation. We're witnessing the signing of this education agreement with Canada and the Master Education Agreement with Ontario, two complementary agreements. The evidence about the Anishinaabe Nation, Canada, and Ontario's commitment to our Anishinaabe students' success and well-being. The education system we are building for our students is truly Anishinaabe. We designed an Anishinaabe education system for our communities and our students. We are honored that the federal and provincial governments have stated their commitment to support the establishment and ongoing operation of the Anishinaabe education system. Anishinaabe educators, parents, and communities will now make all the decisions connected with the education of Anishinaabe students from the early years to grade 12. Education is critical to the Anishinaabe for the same reasons essential for all Canadians, that education inspires young people. Education can open doors to new opportunities and a good life, and it provides hope for a better future. But for the Anishinaabe, education is even more important than that. Education is about the very survival of our nation. Education was used against our nations in an effort to assimilate us. Now we will use education to preserve our cultures, our history, our way of life, our languages, and very importantly, our identity.
The establishment of the Anishinaabe education system is a major milestone in First Nations education. And through the Master Agreement, Ontario is committed to establishing a new relationship between the province and the Anishinaabe Nation, a nation-to-nation relationship. The Master Education Agreement reaffirms our government's commitment to ongoing collaboration to support Anishinaabe Nation's students and set new goals to be well prepared for the future. We strive to reach the goals of our Indigenous education strategy that we have taken important steps in making a system-wide change across the curriculum. It includes targeted funding, it includes professional development, and the integration of First Nations perspectives into the curriculum. It includes the work that Chief described to me this morning of elders being a part of the normal day of a student's educational experience, not a special event.
I was thinking this morning at breakfast as we heard from Grand Chief Madabi about what it felt like to go to a school where you had to be ashamed to speak your language, and the kind of treatment that happened, that this business of proud to be an Anishinaabe person is the biggest antidote that we have to racism and ignorance in this country. That when people are proud and stand tall, that is what we need in terms of the country going forward, so that we can point out the ignorance of racism and the ignorance at what happens when we don't allow people to reach their full potential. This morning we get to acknowledge that Anishinaabe Nation, First Nation chiefs, all of the chiefs, the council members, the elders, the provincial colleagues, guests, and observers for being here today. But it is extraordinarily important to me that each nation has brought a youth representative with you. That this again speaks to the way that we work together with the voices of the people who will be affected by these policies and by the quality of the work that we do together.
Entering this new relationship with the Crown, with the provincial and the federal government, with Anishinaabeg, it's an important step forward in us. And the way I understand it is the Benjigit Kimin Gona Deadban we Nagadawendawin. And that's that the Creator gave us the sovereignty to govern ourselves. And that's what we always have to remember is that that's where we get our sovereignty. That's where we understand what's best for our children and for our future is, and that was those original instructions that were given to us by the Creator. So as we continue to do this work and as we continue to learn in this process, I have high hopes that we're on the right track and that we can continue to build a bigger, brighter future for our young people.
Today we are exercising our inherent jurisdiction by choosing to sign new educational agreements with Canada and Ontario, providing additional support for Anishinaabe student success and well-being. These agreements are important because for the first time, Canada recognizes our jurisdiction over education, and Ontario acknowledges that we are setting up the Anishinaabe education system as an exercise of our First Nation self-government. We are proud of our students and as a community, work hard to support academic excellence and foster a powerful sense of cultural identity and pride.
Today's announcement marks a landmark agreement between Anishinaabe Nation and Ontario. This agreement is rooted in a deep, deep commitment to meaningful reconciliation. It is the first of its kind in Ontario. It will lead to better supports and outcomes for Indigenous students throughout their school years and beyond. Congratulations.
We're here today as government to sign this awesome paper for our kids. There's not two governments here. There's not the provincial and federal, but we also have 23 governments here that are going to sign this paper. That's our nation. Each one of our communities is a government. So let's always refer to us as such. And we always wanted to be one of the governments. And I see that happening here today. There's so much to be happy for.
Education is a priority issue to us as Anishinaabe. And also, Anishinaabe education is important to Canada and the province as they negotiated these agreements in education with us. Agreements that will support our Anishinaabe Nation students regardless of where they attend school. It took a lot of effort on the part of all the parties to get these agreements completed. We heard it took over 20 years to negotiate with Canada. And we started the discussions with the province of Ontario in 2007. And it ended up negotiation of the Master Education Agreement in December 2016. I'm looking forward to seeing what can come next as we move forward with the Anishinaabe education system.